Hello friends, welcome to Destination of Flavors. Today I will share a quick and easy Indian dessert recipe like pancake with coconut filling. It is also known as a popular Bengali dessert named Patishakta Pithe. But in this recipe I tried to prepare a healthy version pancake with a twist of moong dal and coconut jaggery filling. So let's start the recipe. First check out the pancake batter recipe. Soak yellow moong dal for at least 3 to 4 hours. Then take 1/4 cup of or 30 grams soaked moong dal into a mixer grinder. After that, add 1/4 cup or 30 grams oats flour. Oats flour should be same quantity of moong dal. Now add half cup or 60 ml water and grind to a smooth paste. Now pour the mixture into a mixing bowl. Then add 1 cup or 240 grams whole wheat flour or atta and mix with 250 ml milk in parts and make a smooth consistency batter. After that, add 3 tablespoons of jaggery powder. You can add grated jaggery or liquid jaggery as well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix properly. And keep aside for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's check out the coconut filling recipe. Take 1 medium-sized scraped coconut in a pan. Dry roast for 15 minutes on medium flame until mixture becomes completely dried. Now take it out into a plate and keep aside. After that, take half cup or 60 grams grated jaggery into the same pan and add 1 tablespoon of water and continue stir until jaggery completely melt. Now add 1/4 cup or 30 ml liquid jaggery or date syrup. Mix and bring to a boil. Now add dry roasted coconut and mix together properly. You can add khoya into the mixture as well. Continue stir on medium flame until the mixture becomes dry. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder and mix. Now switch off the flame and take the mixture out into a plate and let it cool slightly. Now whisk the rested batter. If the batter looks so thick, then add milk as required. Batter consistency should not be too thick or too runny. You can see the perfect consistency of the batter. Heat a non-stick tawa and brush with ghee or oil. But try to add ghee, it gives the traditional flavor. Now pour a thin layer of the mixture on the hot tawa and spread gently with the ladle. Wait till the color is light brown. Now spread little ghee on the edges of the pancake. Flame should be on medium. Flip it and cook the other side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's turned into golden in color. Now place 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut mixture lengthwise at the center of the pancake. Don't add too much filling, otherwise you cannot fold properly. Now gently fold and roll out and cook for another 2 minutes. Now take out from the tawa. Make all pancakes or patisaptas followed by same process. Now place the delicious healthy patisapta into a plate. Serve warm or cold. You can enjoy this dish with jaggery kheer or gure paish. If you like my recipes, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy. Bye bye.